Good morning, children. I hope you are having a good day. Are you ready for today's lesson? Let's begin. The Unit 4 is Hard Workers. Open your book to page 48 and 49 and read the story. Pay close attention to the words in yellow. Pause the video and read. Ready? Did you read the story carefully? Excellent. Now, go to page 50. Let's check the homework. Number 1. The family in the story is the letter B, hiking. Number 2. The main character in the story is Jenna. Number 3. Termites work, letter A, all the time. Number 4. Termites help make nutrients. I'm sure you got all of them right. Excellent job. Now, for exercise B, look at the sentences in the idea box. You have to choose 1 for main idea and 3 for the supporting details. Write the letters in the boxes. For example, the main idea will be excellent, the letter B. Pause the video to answer and then come back. Ready? Okay, let's check. Main idea is the letter B. Supporting detail is the letter C. Supporting detail number 2 is the letter D. Supporting detail is the letter A. Finally, go to exercise C. This exercise is very easy. You just have to copy the sentences that you choose for main idea and supporting detail. Pause the video and write. Ready? Okay, number 1. Termites are decomposers. Number 2. They eat dead plants and animals. Number 3. They add nutrients to the soil. Number 4. Nutrients in the soil help plants grow. Now, go to page 51, vocabulary review. Here. Okay, pause the video and write. Okay, let's check. Number 1. Termites are small insects that look like ants. Number 2. Let's go hiking in the mountains. Number 3. My dad is really busy because he has lots of work to do. Number 4. The plants need nutrients to live. Number 5. I'm glad I don't have any work today. Number 6. The plants need sunlight to grow. Okay, guys, good job, everyone. That's it for today's lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.